Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write a 10-line essay on pomegranate. First line: pomegranate is a type of fruit. Second line: it is red in color. Third line: it is round in shape. Fourth line: it is very tasty and sweet to eat. Fifth line: pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants. Sixth line: pomegranate are used to make jam, jelly, salads, desserts, etc. Seventh line: the juice of a pomegranate can be sweet or tangy. Eighth line: they are also a source of vitamin C and potassium. Ninth line: it helps to boost immunity power. 10th line: the seeds inside a pomegranate are called relish. Thanks for watching.